Hey guys, you're watching Craze for Crafts, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this awesome quill. It's so easy that I'm sure all of you will be able to make it. I chose red color for the quill because it represents the Gryffindor house. But you can use any color of your choice for it. The supplies. You'll need a paintbrush, black acrylic paint, the top part of a pen, pliers, and a feather. Now let's get started. Use the pliers and tighten them around this middle part of the pen. Now screw it down the pen from the bottom. And there you have it. We can use the steel part for the nib of the quill. The next part is pretty simple. Just take your glue gun and attach this nib to the feather. Let it dry. Alright, so after your glue is dry, the last part is just to paint this glued part of your feather. Now, using a paintbrush, just paint it. We have our own DIY Harry Potter quill. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to this video. For the meantime, signing out, ciao.